So we really need to do some cleansing. We need to make believers out of our subconscious mind. We need to free up that creative spirit within us. We need to make believers out of our subconscious, and the very best way that we can do this and begin is by beginning to make an effort in the outer. How long have you put off the cleansing? How long have you been putting off cleaning out the drawers, cleaning out the closets, cleaning out the attic, cleaning out the basement, cleaning out that garage, and freeing yourself up so that you can let the free flow of the activity of spirit move in and through you to bring that good that you desire? Of course, denials are always followed by affirmations. So once you've done any cleansing, you need to present a desire to be filled, a vessel to be filled. Always look at the needs and the desires of your life as vessels to be filled, and behold them being filled by the goodness of God. Look within yourself to the riches that God has prepared for you. Begin to image, begin to see yourself prospered in every way. You begin to release those old conditions which are no longer profitable in your life. They were good at one time, but they no longer profit you. But now begin to image in your mind that which will enrich you. Begin to fill your mind with rich images, because you know that God's substance forms in your life according to the image you hold in your mind. So if you don't like what you are experiencing, you must change the image. You begin to list the things that you want. Begin to get a clear list of everything that you want to manifest in your life. Begin to affirm that those things that are coming to you mentally, physically, emotionally, and you can expect a miracle. What is a miracle? Is a miracle something that just happens, that God decides to go zot and bring you something out of the sky? No. A miracle is a higher working of the law of mind action or cause and effect. What constitutes a miracle? A miracle is when you let God become the cause. And then the effect is such rich good that is far beyond what you expect. So I want you all to expect a miracle of God's rich abundance to manifest in your life. When? Now. Good.